Hello dear student, me Ansar Ahmed Ansari from Conceptum Institute Khalilabad Sant Kabirnagar. My mobile number 9839324130. Today we will study physics class 12 unit electrostatics. Today we will study about electric dipole or electric dipole moment, and we had studied intensity of the electric field. Okay. What is electric dipole or electric dipole moment? Electric dipole. Electric dipole moment. Electric dipole or electric dipole moment. Electric dipole, I will tell. Electric dipole, it is indicated with the help of P. What is? Listen carefully. An electric dipole is a pair of equal and opposite charge. An electric dipole is a pair of equal and opposite point charge placed at a short distance apart. इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल क्या है कि दो अपोजिट चार्ज, एक माइनस क्यू एक प्लस क्यू, एक कुछ डिस्टेंस पर रखे जाते हैं, उन्हें ही हम इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल कहते हैं। फिर बात आती है इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल मोमेंट। डिस्चार्ज माइनस क्यू, डिस्चार्ज प्लस क्यू, डिस्टेंसिंग 2a। ये इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल एंड इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल इज ए पेयर ऑफ opposite and equal point charge placed at a short distance. Short distance 2a. Always remember indicated in figure. फिर बात आती है इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल मोमेंट। इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल मोमेंट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ चार्ज and short distance is called electric dipole moment. It is indicated P. It is vector quantity. Electric dipole moment is equal to charge into short distance. Like that, P is equal to Q into 2L, or P is equal to 2QL. It is electric dipole moment. If anyone asking to you any examples, then tell HCl or H2O. HCl or H2O. HCl how? Example HCl, H hydrogen, chlorine, Cl. This is plus, this is minus. Same distancing. ओके, ये आपका इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल है। इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल कोई भी पूछे आपसे इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल क्या होता है? An electric dipole is a pair of equal and opposite charge which are present at a short distance. And electric dipole moment product of charge and short distance to L is called electric dipole moment. It is indicated electric dipole moment charge short distance. Want to copy? Then do fast. Now, electric field due to an electric dipole. Electric field due to an electric dipole. There are two types. First of all, we will know intensity of the electric field. First, intensity of electric field at a point on the axis of dipole, on the axis of dipole. Okay. First, intensity of electric field at a point on the axis of dipole. Like that, two charges minus q plus q this midpoint P and O, this is A, B, P, E, E2, listen carefully. Intensity of electric field at a point on the axis of dipole. First of all, we will take two charges, opposite charges are equal, minus q and plus q. Minus q which are presented at a point A, plus q which are presented at point P. Both distance between both charges is 2L. दोनों चार्जों के बीच की डिस्टेंस है 2L. We will calculate intensity of the electric field at the point of P with the help of charge plus Q and with the help of minus Q. Point P and distance between point P and B, can say BP R minus L, which are getting intensity of the electric field is E1, and distance between minus Q and P, or can say AP R plus R, which are getting intensity of the electric field E2. Okay. Now, first for intensity of electric field by charge plus Q is E1. Then E1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0, 4 pi epsilon 0 then q by r minus delta whole square. Equation number first. And intensity of electric field by charge minus q is E2. Then E2 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r plus delta whole square. Equation number second. Here always remember E1 is greater than E2. Here E1 is greater than E2 because E1 is getting intensity of the electric field by positive charge and E2 negative charge. Okay, want to copy the two first. Now resultant intensity of electric field is equal to E1 minus E2 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into q by r minus L का whole square minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into q by r plus L का whole square is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon 0 1 upon r minus L का whole square minus 1 upon r plus L का whole square is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon 0 r plus L का whole square minus r minus L का whole square r minus L का whole square r plus L का whole square is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon 0 r का स्क्वायर L का स्क्वायर प्लस 2RL माइनस r का स्क्वायर प्लस L का स्क्वायर माइनस 2RL डाउनवर्ड r स्क्वायर माइनस L स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू q बाई 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन 0 r स्क्वायर L स्क्वायर 2RL माइनस r स्क्वायर माइनस L स्क्वायर प्लस 2RL अपॉन r स्क्वायर माइनस L स्क्वायर a whole square. This is answer. E is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon 0 to do 4 RL upon r square minus L square. Okay. Want to copy the two? First. E is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon 0 4 RL r square minus L square in okay. R E is equal to 2 into 2R into 2QL upon 4 pi epsilon 0 r square minus L square का whole square. E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into 2 p r by आर स्क्वायर माइनस एल स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में P इक्वल टू 2QL, देन E इक्वल टू if L less R, then E equal to L is time E equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 2p R by R by 4. Cancel them, R by cube. E equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into 2p by R का cube. This is intensity of the electric field at a point on the axis of a dipole. Okay. In vector form, E equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into 2p upon R का क्यूब, इससे इसको काट सकते हैं. E इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 2 पाई एप्सिलॉन 0 इंटू P अपॉन R क्यूब. ये भी यहाँ पर भी काट सकते हैं, आपकी मर्जी, काटना चाहे काटें, ना काटना चाहे ना काटें. ठीक है. Want to copy, then do fast. Now we will study intensity of the electric field at a point on the equatorial line of a dipole after some time. Okay. If any time of the doubt, then can ask me. My WhatsApp number 9839324130. Okay. Thank you.